Hey, I'm pretty pissed. Yeah, I need to get something off my chest. Could be just my age, but I took some time to reflect and assess the hows and the whys of the status quo. Have come to some realizations. All my life, I've been told that the key to success, the breakthrough, the big opportunity, it's somewhere out there. But I'm here today to tell you the truth. Not because I read it in some book, but because I've actually lived it. The greatest resource in America, it isn't oil, it's not gold, it's not in the stock market, and it's certainly not out there. The greatest resource in America is Americans. But somewhere along the line, that got diluted. The real gold has always been mined from the minds of people who finally woke up and started digging inside themselves. But I'll be honest with you, it ain't easy. If you want to build a better life, you gotta start by building a better you. That means facing your failures, owning your excuses, being brutally honest about where you are and where you've fallen short along the way. I've done it, I still do it, I've done it all my life, and I'll continue to do it. It's how I grow. I've stared down my own laziness, my own fears, my own comfort zone that almost stole my future. And I promise you, once you start mining the gold that's already inside you, the possibilities are endless. You don't need a magic formula. You don't need a stroke of luck. What you need, you already have. So decide, right now, do you want to do better? Do you want to grow? Because greatness is earned, one hard decision at a time. And when you grow, your family grows, your community grows, your country grows. So this isn't just about you. This is much bigger. This is the Greater American Project. If you're ready to finally take control, I want you to grab my free starter pack right now. It's not fluff, it's not theory, it's the same tools and mindset shifts that pulled me out of my own pit and put me on this mission. Subscribe, share, follow, pet the dog, get a drink, whatever. But most of all, take action. Because nobody's coming to save you, but you can save yourself.